Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how we can make vegetable soup, full guide. Start by prepping vegetables, washing, peeling, and chopping them into uniform pieces for even cooking. Choose a flavorful broth and add aromatics like onion, garlic, and herbs early to develop a rich base. Add vegetables by cook time, starting with root vegetables and ending with quick cooking greens for best texture and taste. Warm your kitchen by laying out ingredients and tools before you begin. It makes cooking smoother and more enjoyable. Measure spices and have a tasting spoon ready so you can adjust seasoning as you go. A heavy pot prevents scorching and keeps heat even, which matters during long simmering. Prep vegetables to uniform size to ensure even cooking and predictable timing for a satisfying, homemade vegetable soup experience. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical cooking tips. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers that keep soup secure and make reheating simple, perfect for lunches and leftovers. I find they save time and reduce spills, which everyone appreciates after cooking. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by sweating onions and garlic in oil until fragrant and slightly golden, then add carrots and celery to build a savory base. Pour in broth and bring to a gentle simmer, adding potatoes and beans next so they cook through without falling apart. In the final minutes, stir in quick cooking greens and a splash of lemon or vinegar, then taste and adjust salt, pepper, or herbs for a lively finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.